let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. In order to apply non-statistical sampling during the audit of an account receivable, what's the main purpose of this sampling approach? Now, on Farhat Lectures, before you answer the question, you can ask AI, explain what non-statistical sampling is if you don't remember this. And it will explain it for you. Now let's see what the reason is. Is it to ensure every item has an equal chance of selection? Very tempting. To estimate the total population misstatement using professional judgment. To eliminate sampling risk. To provide exact quantitative assurance about population accuracy. Let's start with some extreme. Can you eliminate the sampling risk? No. Once you are sampling, you're going to have a sampling risk. And whether it's statistical or non-statistical, you cannot eliminate the sampling risk. You have to live with that. D, is it to provide exact quantitative assurance about population accuracy? Again, another extreme answer choice. Exact means 100%. Absolute, we don't offer that. That's out. Is it to ensure every item has an equal chance of selection? This is very tempting. But is this the purpose of non-statistical sampling? No. Non-statistical sampling is judgmental. You're not giving everyone a chance like in statistics. Therefore, A is out. By process of elimination, B is the answer choice. The reason we do the main purpose of sampling approach is to estimate the total misstatement in the population using professional judgment because we are using non-statistical sampling. Therefore, the answer is B. Now, also on farhatlectures.com, you could ask the AI to give you alternative explanation for the answers. And if you really like this question and you want to test yourself again on this concept, you can ask AI to create another similar MCQ. What should you do? Invest in yourself. Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, accounting student, that's the best investment. Go to farhatlectures.com, work more questions, stay safe, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.